If your right Joy-Con keeps disconnecting, either wirelessly or when attached, it's usually due to Bluetooth signal issues, rail connection problems, or controller firmware bugs. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to stop your Joy-Con from randomly disconnecting. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach both of your Joy-Cons by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Reattach it to your Switch. This clears up minor bugs or signal drops. Solution 2. Reset the controller sync. Go to the home menu of your Switch. Find and open System Settings. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll to the bottom and choose Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen instructions to unpair all Joy-Cons. Now detach your Joy-Cons and resync them by sliding them onto the Switch rails until they click. Once reconnected, remove them again and check if they now pair properly in wireless mode. Solution 3. Update System and Controllers. Go back to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is on the latest firmware. Then go back up to Controllers and Sensors and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fix syncing problems. Solution 4. Resync the Joy-Con. From the home menu of your Switch, go to the Controllers. Select and open Change Grip/Order. Now, while your Joy-Cons are detached, press and hold the sync button on the right Joy-Con until the lights start blinking. Now, press your preferred controller buttons or adjust your syncing setup for either 2 controller option or 1 controller option. This time you should be able to sync properly. With that, your right Joy-Con disconnecting issue should be gone. But for some of you who are still facing problems, the issue may be hardware related. In that case, I recommend sending your controller to repair or consider a replacement. All in all, hope this video was informative to you, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you need more intuitive tutorials and fixes on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.